100 push-ups every day, my fitness journey and how it changed me.
Embarking on a journey of doing 100 push-ups every day is a commendable commitment to fitness. Such a challenge not only targets various muscle groups, but also fosters discipline and resilience. Here's a narrative outlining your potential fitness journey and the transformative effects it may have on your physical and mental well-being. The beginning. Day 17. The initial struggle.
Excitement and determination fuel your first week. Struggling to complete sets of 10-15 push-ups at a time.
Soreness and fatigue set in, highlighting the need for proper warm-up and cool-down.
Establishing routine. Weeks to 4. Building consistency. Pushing through initial challenges becomes easier.
Establishing a routine, perhaps dividing sets throughout the day.
Increasing endurance and noticing subtle changes in muscle definition.
Physical transformation, weeks 5-8. Seeing progress. Improvement in form and increased stamina. Chest, shoulders, and triceps gain noticeable strength and definition. Clothes fitting differently.
The first signs of physical transformation.
Mental toughness, weeks 9-12. Developing mental resilience. The daily routine becomes a habit. Mental toughness grows as you push through moments of fatigue. Improved focus and discipline extend beyond the workout. Midpoint reflection, weeks 13-16. Taking stock.
Evaluating progress and making necessary adjustments.
Exploring variations like wide grip, diamond, or decline push-ups. Reflecting on the journey's impact on your overall well-being.
Plateaus and challenges, weeks 17-20. Overcoming plateaus. Facing physical and mental plateaus.
Incorporating new challenges like variations or increasing intensity. Understanding the importance of rest days and recovery.
Celebrating weeks 21-24. Milestones. Celebrating reaching the 100 push-up mark in a single set.
Noticing improved posture, core strength, and increased energy levels.
Sharing achievements and inspiring others through social media or fitness communities. Sustaining it, months for 6. Making it a lifestyle.
The daily routine evolves into a sustainable lifestyle.
Incorporating other exercises to create a well-rounded fitness routine. Exploring new fitness goals and challenges. Long-term benefits. Beyond 6 months. A changed perspective.
Reflecting on the journey's impact on overall health and well-being.
Increased self-discipline, mental resilience, and a positive body image. Continuing the fitness journey with new goals and aspirations. Lessons learned. Key takeaways. Consistency and discipline are key to achieving fitness goals.
The journey extends beyond physical changes, impacting mental and emotional well-being. Celebrate small victories and use setbacks as opportunities for growth.
Adaptability and variety in workouts are essential for long-term success.
Your fitness journey, especially with the commitment of 100 push-ups every day, is not just about the physical changes but also about the mental and emotional transformation. It's a